Welcome to Montego Bay, my friend. It's how you feeling this week. Yeah, stay ready. You gotta get rid of you want to wait. I have to go out here and look at this car, man. She dirty. But this bad screen protector on my screen. Gosh, I've been doing something like this a long time when I first got it. But as y'all all know, I got them mufflers deleted yesterday. What I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and give y'all cats a little bit of a cold start real quick. Check me out. We don't need that on. I just want to give y'all a close look at the dash. Look at the dash. I know y'all probably like, why does the dash don't match the color of the car? But I didn't really want to match the color of the car. I wanted it a little bit lighter. So as you can see, got that in there. Focus on them, man. Come on now. Alright. A little bit lighter. Yeah, that's got the real same color. As y'all see, the real same color. Look at me, man. And as you all know, my man's is always here. Chuck! Tell him what's up, baby. How we doing in here? My man right there. Chuck. That's right. But let's go ahead and put this screen protector on. As y'all can see, I got my little claw that I clean it with. What'd that say? This is out of Walmart, man. I think this thing was like, says Navion screen on it. So you can see it, Nav screen. Yeah, man, if y'all can see, y'all can see the fingerprints on there. Watch how this gets on. No need for none of that cleaning solution and stuff on your screen, messing up the film that comes on. You know, that little protective film that comes on most screen like your phone and stuff. Yeah, get you one of these right here, bro. Knocks all the fingerprints and everything off there. Look at that. Look at it. I don't know if you can still see that, but yeah, look at that. Look at that. Alright. So what we're gonna do here, go ahead and put this on real quick. Let's see if I can set this up so y'all can see while I do it. See, it say tempered glass. Cause I could be on the phone. Shouldn't be that hard. Oh no, it is hard. It's stuck. I messed it up. It's crooked too, y'all. Guess what? It's on there now then, huh? I gotta take this off. I gotta, what's the name? Take the whole dash off, look like. No, I can get it off right here, just like that. Just one side wasn't on. Decent. So basically, if you don't get this on there right, this damn thing's gonna slide all the way in. Just like it did again. Good thing this thing is removable, huh? God dang. Damn, that damn string right there. Just like that. That's a perfect fit. Like, why? That's about the best I can get it right there, y'all. Take that off. Come back with my screen thing. Wipe those off. Let's hope that this damn thing goes on that right. I'm gonna see if it got what's the name in here. You know what I'm saying? It's on there, baby. Look at that. This side don't want to stick though. Maybe I took it off too much now. It don't want to stick on this side. I don't know because I done put it on. Took it off too many times or what? This one came back out too. There it is. Let's see what it looks like. All the buttons work perfectly, man. Nice. Look at that. The favorite, I'm adding in the favorite, man. All of them perfect.
And in fact,
I don't see no fingerprints right now. I'm about to order another one because of this right here.
To drum like Ringo Starr.
So yeah.
At number 6, Genesis. And that's all.
That's to it, baby. It's all to it. Alright. What? Dog up here. Well, at the end of the video, I ain't got much to talk about in this thing, but I'm about to go wash this thing up. Might take y'all along with me, might not take you along with me, but I'm gonna show you what I do when it's clean, how it gets clean. You heard what I'm saying? Let's get it. Stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. And I'm out.